Hello, my name is John Sanders. I am the District Design Engineer for MoDOT Southwest District, and I'm also the Project Manager for the 60 and 125 Interchange project. In this video, we're going to talk about the project schedule and the construction staging that will take place. Currently, we're working on the preliminary plans. After that is completed, we will be able to work on our right-of-way plans and begin our right-of-way acquisition process, which will start towards the end of this year and next year. We'll also be looking to do some utility relocations as the right-of-way is acquired, and that will again take place next year and into 2023. And then we will wrap up our plans next year, send the project out to bid, and we hope to have construction started in 2023 with the project completing in 2024. The construction staging for this project is a little more difficult because we're trying to reduce the grades of the existing roads while maintaining traffic on those existing roads. And with that said, we anticipate 5 different stages in order to construct this project. Although when we get the contractor on board for this job, they may have a better staging sequence than what we are currently envisioning, but at this point in time, this is what we would anticipate how the project would get built. In stage 1 of our project, we are going to build the new northeast outer road, stubbing that out far enough to allow us to make the new entrances to the come and go, to the Willow Greens garden, and the residence to the east of there. We will also build the northwest outer road that will tie in from 125 over to Farm Road 229, and we will widen Farm Road 229. We will also build a temporary crossover on the east end of the project, and we will begin the construction of the new lanes in the median on the west end of the project. These will be permanent crossover that will be in there that will allow us to take traffic from the median to the existing westbound lanes. We will also widen the existing eastbound lanes, begin the construction of those on and off ramps. So in stage 2, we will actually take the eastbound traffic and we will move them to the new eastbound on and off ramps that we constructed in the previous stage. We will also take the westbound traffic and move them to the existing eastbound lanes by those crossovers that we had constructed in the previous stage. This will allow us to move all the traffic to that side of the highway, free us up on the existing westbound lanes to start the construction of the new on and off ramps. The new on ramp will actually cross over the existing westbound lanes and tie back into the new pavement there in the median. At this point in time, the existing westbound lanes west of Farm Road 229 will become part of the northwest outer road. In stage 3, we will take the westbound traffic and move them from the eastbound lanes that they were in the previous stage back to the new ramps that we had constructed in that previous stage. And now the westbound traffic will be running on the on and off ramps of the westbound lanes. Eastbound traffic will be running on the on and off ramps of the eastbound lanes. This will allow us to spread apart the traffic and open up the median for us to construct the new lanes in the median, as well as construct the retaining walls to ramp that new road up and over the top of 125. So the majority of this stage will be spent building those retaining walls, building up that fill, and constructing those new lanes of 60 highway in the median. We will also begin construction of the bridge that will go over the top of 125. We will construct those ends of the bridge during this stage. Then stage 4 is where we begin to have some traffic impacts. We're going to need to shut down the intersection of 60 and 125 in order for us to dig out that material, since it is dropping 6 foot on the westbound lanes, 4 foot on the eastbound lanes. So in order to dig that material out, we're going to have to shut down the intersection, and therefore 60 highway will be able to turn right onto 125, and 125 will be able to turn right onto 60 highway, but there will be no left turns out of Route 125 or left turns from 60 highway onto 125. Besides closing the center of the 60 and 125 intersection in order to lower the road in that area, we will also finish building and constructing our new bridge over the top of Run 25. In stage 5, we will close all 4 of the ramps that we had built in the previous stages. We will move traffic to the new 60 lanes in the median, and traffic will be going up and over the top of 125 at this time. We will close the ramps, the on and off ramps, and we will close down the intersection in order to construct the new roundabouts and to tie everything in to this new lower elevation. Because of that, there will be no access from 60 highway onto 125, and there will be no access from 125 onto 60 highway. Traffic will need to utilize a detour and look at the interchanges to the east and west of here in order to gain access to the highway. After the new roundabouts are constructed and all the ramps are tied back into those new roundabouts, the project will be completed and traffic will be able to fully utilize the interchange, including those on and off ramps in 60 and 125. I want to thank you for taking the time to view this video about our 60 and 125 project. Again, I want to tell you that there are some additional information on our webpage that you will find a project fact sheet, the project timeline that we discussed in this video. Construction staging displays will be on our website, and there's also a link for you to sign up to get project updates to your email. There is a comment form where you can provide us feedback of the concept that we are currently designing. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or send us an email, and we'll be trying to answer your questions. Thank you.